Get ready to uncover a jaw-dropping secret hidden deep in Bolivia's lush jungle for centuries. When archaeologists stumbled upon mysterious stone foundations here, they didn't hesitate to send in a high-tech helicopter equipped with cutting-edge lidar scanners. What they found using those lasers was nothing short of astonishing. An entire ancient city buried beneath the dense foliage. This incredible metropolis boasted an intricate system of canals and several majestic stone pyramids, all masterfully crafted by the Carib culture over 1,000 years before the legendary Aztecs and Incas. These mind-blowing Bolivian pyramids are rewriting the history books on ancient Amazonia, and they're just one of many game-changing discoveries reshaping our understanding of the past. Buckle up for the wildest ride through Earth's most jaw-dropping mysteries. Imagine stumbling upon a colossal crater, ancient whale fossils nestled in the heart of a dense jungle, an otherworldly valley filled with gargantuan stone pots, and a road that'll leave you wondering if it really leads to Atlantis. This enchanting corner of southern China holds secrets that'll blow your mind. Its natural beauty is actually older than even the pristine Amazonian wilderness. In May 2022, a team of scientists embarked on an unforgettable journey, unearthing a staggering sinkhole, roughly the size of 6 football fields. Measuring an astonishing 306 meters long and 150 meters wide, this colossal abyss plunges an unbelievable 192 meters deep into the Earth. Get ready to uncover more secrets from our planet's fascinating past. Just think, you could fit an entire SpaceX Starship and a Falcon Heavy rocket side by side at the bottom of this gargantuan sinkhole with room to spare. Yet, despite its enormous size, the funnel shape allows just enough sunlight to filter down, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem deep within the abyss. Towering trees here can reach an astonishing 40 meters high, like nature's own botanical garden, hidden away from the world. And what's truly remarkable is that scientists believe this isolated environment has given rise to a unique ecosystem, one that's developed its own distinct characteristics, separate from the outside world, as if nature was conducting its very own secret experiment down here. Get ready for a discovery that'll shake up the books. Biologists are stoked to uncover one-of-a-kind species of plants and animals here, hidden away from the rest of the world. The bottom of this funnel is like an untapped treasure trove of biodiversity. But that's not all. Researchers are also buzzing about 3 unexplored caves waiting to be dug into at the very depths. And if we're still discovering mind-blowing natural wonders in our own planet's backyard, can you imagine what secrets these ancient rocks might hold about human history? They're basically like 75-million-year-old whales, carrying secrets from a time long lost. We've got a jaw-dropping location for you, deep in Thailand's Byeongkang province, at an elevation of 300 meters. That's where the enormous whale-shaped rocks were discovered, stretching up to an incredible 100 meters long. Now, you might think these humongous sculptures are man-made, but hold on to your seats they're actually one-of-a-kind natural wonders. While there are other bizarrely shaped rocks out there, these Thai whales stand apart with their uncanny resemblance to statues, polished by time and the forces of nature. But here's the amazing part. Geologists reveal that it was Mother Nature itself that carved these gargantuan shapes, slowly grinding them down over millions of years using grain and wind. But here's where things get really intriguing. Drone footage reveals that each whale-shaped rock has distinct features, a recognizable head, torso, and tail wall, which is pretty mind-blowing. Now, you might think this is just an incredible coincidence, but let's not rule out the possibility that our ancestors had something to do with it. I mean, even ancient civilizations with simple tools could have given these rocks their whale-like shape. Maybe millions of years ago, some early thinkers tried to carve a model of the world with 3 whales supporting a flat Earth. And who knows, maybe later cultures built upon this idea, adding their own twist. Theories are running wild, and we can't wait to dive deeper into the mysteries surrounding these incredible Thai whale rocks. Let's dig deeper. We've seen ancient cultures constructing elaborate ritual sites, but now it's time to talk about their burial practices. Because, let's face it, we all have to go eventually. You might be surprised to learn that cremation wasn't just some modern innovation. In fact, it turns out our ancestors were burning bodies for thousands of years. And take a look at this fascinating site in the plain of jars and Laos. Researchers stumbled upon an astonishing number of stone vessels dating back around 3,000 years. These aren't your average containers either. We're talking 6-ton giants with an average diameter of almost a meter. What's the significance behind these massive jars? Were they used for storing food, or something far more mysterious? Theories are piling up. Join us as we uncover the secrets hidden within this incredible ancient burial ground. These ancient stone vessels are truly mind-boggling. Imagine carving massive stones into jars, ranging from 1 to 3 meters tall. But what really gets our imagination racing is how these behemoths ended up in this valley. We know they weren't local. Researchers believe they were transported from far-off regions of Southeast Asia, which brings us to the question: could we be talking about a lost civilization with some seriously supersized members? I mean, it's not as wild as it sounds. Just think of those stone lids carved with animals underneath some vessels. Scientists are convinced that these aren't just random decorations. They're actually strong clues, pointing to these jars being burial containers. So what secrets will we uncover as we continue to explore this ancient graveyard? So what's inside these gigantic stone mugs? You might expect treasure or something exciting, but nope. Inside some of them, scientists discovered a rather unexpected surprise: tiny remains like burnt teeth and bones. And they're not from one person, there are many different sets. But that's still not all. Human skeletons were also found scattered around the jars. This led researchers to piece together an incredible 3-part burial ritual. First, they'd place a body in a jar where it would break down over time until only bones remained. Then those bones got torched right inside the jar. Talk about full circle. And finally, what was left after the funeral fire, coals and ashes, were buried separately nearby. This ancient practice is a testament to how deeply the people of this place respected their dead. The mind-blowing rituals these ancient folks had is a clear sign when we're driven by determination and belief. Even seemingly impossible things can become achievable realities. But what about the really unbelievable stuff? Like, have you heard about this newly found underwater basalt road lurking 3,000 meters deep at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean? Scientists were exploring around Liliuokalani Ridge north of Hawaii when they stumbled upon something that looks eerily like a stretch of paved pathway, complete with neatly arranged bricks. Now, we've all dreamed about discovering Atlantis and swimming alongside Aquaman, but could this mysterious underwater road actually hold a secret to one of history's greatest myths? But hold on to your seat. Scientists are here with a reality check. They think our underwater road might actually be a natural wonder created by intense volcanic activity around that area. As the nearby volcanoes kept erupting, the seafloor heated up to scorching temperatures and then cooled down repeatedly until it cracked into those evenly sized bricks we saw. Maybe we were way off on this one. Just like that infamous door on Mars, which was initially thought to be an entrance to an alien lair, but turned out to be nothing more than a cleverly angled rock formation captured by the rover's camera. It just goes to show, sometimes what seems like a wild tale at first glance can have a completely rational explanation. And that's what makes this discovery so intriguing. You won't believe what these ancient-looking parchment fragments from Cambridge University were actually used for. Traditionally, people thought these relics served as good luck charms or talismans for medieval women going into labor. But scientists are blowing the lid off this story with some mind-blowing proof. Through super cool biomolecular analysis, they discovered teeny tiny traces of amniotic fluid on these magical parchments. That's right, it turns out women had such faith in their